Oh yes. Boy, this is pulling in all the attraction. Check it out. Original orange Lambo. The Hurricane Performante. Yeah, I was able to even pronounce that. First time. Man don't care, just pulled up right outside Harrods next to his Rolls. But yeah, back to the Lambo because I'm a Lambo boy myself. Of course, it's got a penalty charge notice. But you know what? You think he came here not expecting that? You need to give him another 100 of those before he considers parking elsewhere, because he's prime time outside the original Harrods store in Knightsbridge. He's a mental. But anyway, let's admire the car again. And let me get that angle. This is my favorite view. A lot of people are queuing up. They want to take their own photos. So I'm going to give them an opportunity, but not before I go in the inside and have a look. Do you see that red starter button? Yeah, you see that? Press that button and this launches. Boy, that's crazy. Outside, the Spirit of Dubai perfumes, Maya, Space NK, ELNN. He could have parked anywhere, but he decided to just launch it straight onto the pavement. No respect for the pedestrians, but enough respect for the car. Gold rims from Gold Rider, signing out. Peace.